How to get insurance in Australia, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Insurance is a crucial financial tool that provides protection against unexpected risks. Whether you are looking for health, car, home, life, or travel insurance, Australia offers a variety of options tailored to different needs. This guide will walk you through the different types of insurance available in Australia, how to choose the right policy and the process of obtaining coverage. Types of insurance in Australia. Number 1. Health insurance. Medicare. Australia has a public healthcare system known as Medicare, which provides free or subsidized healthcare service to Australian citizens and permanent residents. Private health insurance. While Medicare covers many medical services, private health insurance can offer additional benefits such as shorter wait times, choice of doctors, and coverage for extras like dental and physiotherapy. How to get health insurance? Compare different private health insurance providers using websites like iSelect or Compare the Market. Choose between hospital cover, extras cover, or a combined policy. Apply online, over the phone, or in person. Set up payment via direct debit or credit card. Number 2. Car insurance. Compulsory third party CTP insurance required by law covers injuries caused to others and in accident. Third party property insurance covers damage to other people's vehicles or property. Third party fire and theft includes third party property covers plus protection against fire and theft. Comprehensive car insurance cover damage to both your vehicle and others. How to get car insurance? Compare policies through online comparison tools. Choose a policy based on coverage premium and excess. Apply online or through an insurance broker. Pay your premium monthly or annually. Number 3. Home and contents insurance. Building insurance covers structural damage to your home due to fire, floods, storms, and other events. Content insurance protects personal belongings from theft, fire, or accidental damage. How to get home insurance? Assess the value of your home and belongings. Get quotes from various insurers. Select a policy with appropriate coverage and affordable premium. Complete the application and arrange for payment. Number 4. Life insurance. For term life insurance pays a lump sum to beneficiaries if the insured person passes away. Income protection insurance provides a portion of your salary if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. Total and permanent disability (TPD) insurance offers financial support if you become permanently disabled. Trauma insurance covers serious illness such as cancer, heart attack, or stroke. How to get life insurance? Determine how much coverage you need. Compare different providers and policy options. Undergo medical assessments if required. Choose a policy and arrange for premium payments. Number 5. Travel insurance covers medical emergencies, lost luggage, trip cancellations, and other travels related risks. How to get Travel insurance. Choose between single trip or annual multi-trip policies. Compare policies online. Purchase insurance before your trip. Keep a copy of your policy details while traveling. Factors to consider when choosing insurance. Coverage and exclusion. Always read the product disclosure statement (PDS) to understand what is included and excluded. Premium cost. Balance affordable with sufficient coverage. Excess. The amount you pay out of pocket before insurance covers the rest. Claim process. Check how easy it is to file a claim and average processing time. Reputation of the insurer. Read customer reviews and rating. How to apply insurance in Australia. Research. Use comparison website to find the best deals. Number 2. Consults and insurance broker. They can help find the right policy of your needs. Fill out an application, provide necessary details such as personal information, assist or health history. Number 4. Undergo assessment if need. Some policies require medical exams or home inspection. Review and accept the policy. Ensure you understand the terms before signing. Make payments. Choose between monthly or annual payment option. Conclusion. Getting insurance in Australia is a straightforward process if you understand your needs and compare policies carefully, whether it's health, car, home, life, or travel insurance. Taking the time to choose the right policy can provide peace of mind and financial security. So, viewers, if you like today's video, then definitely subscribe to our Earn Smartly YouTube channel and give a like and comment on the video and share our video more and make a nice comment. If you like and comment, we are encouraged to make new videos, so everyone will be fine. God bless you. Thanks for watching today's video.